This is the real deal. It's finally hooked up. Completely soldered. It's the Rheem Performance Platinum hybrid electric water heater, 50-gallon tank. The screen's pulled off because it will soon be ducted into the attic. New electric line, new copper pipes, new everything. All the drains ran into a hole that I still have to connect. It's supposed to be can't really see it, but it's supposed to only be $121, $151 a year. Pretty cool. I'm on electric mode right now because I don't have the ductwork hooked up. Touchscreen, Wi-Fi capable. Can control it when I'm away from anywhere. I just switched it to heat pump mode so you can hear how loud the heat pump is. Takes a second to kick in. Couldn't find any videos on hooking this thing up on YouTube. So here you go. I got the ice maker, 3/4 to 1/2 inch. And a 1/4 turn shutoff valve. Got the 1/4 turn valves on the lines coming in, lines going out. Everything's strapped tight. Nothing moves. Pretty slick. That takes a while to switch over to heat pump. Could be because I just had it on heat pump and switched it to electric. Got the blocks back here to keep it tight. Extra screw. They actually had to go from 1/2 inch to 3/4 because I have an older house. Well, there you go. I know it'll come on soon. Right? There it goes. This is right outside my bedroom. I was really worried about the sound, but it's not much louder than a refrigerator. Just so everybody knows, this is the intake, this is the exhaust. I had them backwards in my mind. Pretty quiet. Pumping out some cold air though. Make sure you got an exhaust for it, unless it's summertime. There you go, Rheem Performance Platinum Hybrid Electric Water Heater. Hooked up by a sheet metal worker.